So, okay, let's see. Look at this question. Torque due to the force about the origin acting on a particle whose position vector is I plus j plus k. Clear? So position vector is given. R vector is I plus j plus k. Okay. Force vector is given. 2i cap plus j plus 2k. Okay. So torque due to this force acting on this particle. This particle is here. Okay. With respect to origin, its position vector is this R vector. And force is acting like this. Clear? So simple like torque about this origin will be R cross F. So that will be I cross, what is R? I plus j cross 2i plus j plus 2k. Alright. Now simply solve this. You know how to solve this? Make a determinant.
Yeah, sir.
Write the coefficient. Easy only. This is asked in a JEE Mains. Okay. You know how to solve this?
Yeah, sir. Yeah.
Just 1. I'm writing directly. Okay. Check whether I'm doing wrong or not. Check. Okay. Any wrong step I have taken? Okay. Now next
No,
step
sir,
is,
correct.
what is the next step?
This one. I minus
Like this. Okay.
0.
This will be 2 1s are 2 minus 1. That is I.
I
0.
minus k, I guess. Answer. Yes.
Option C. Clear?
Mm.
Any doubt? Tell me.